Hi friends, today we are going to speed up a website which is running Divi theme. So we are using a paid plugin called WP Rocket, and it's a great plugin. You can check the plans of this plugin. I'm using the unlimited version one, which costs around $250, and for a single website you can buy the one for $49. This has to be paid yearly, and we get support for one website. In this plan we get for $99 we can get for 3 websites, and for an unlimited website it's $249. Okay, so these are the before and after results. This is a website, and you can see mobile score is 66, and we are getting this reduced initial server response time, and for desktop also we are getting reduced initial server response time. So this is after I have installed the plugin and configured it. You can see mobile and desktop scores. You can see we don't have the reduced server response type recommendation anymore. So here's what you have to do. You have to download the WP Rocket and activate it. You can just go to plugins, add new, and upload it. So I'll just try that. I'll just remove this. So what I will do is go to plugin, add plugin. We have to upload a plugin. Let's go to browse. So we have to click install now. Now this plugin size is 3.2 MB. Sometime you may get an error that the file size is limited or something like that. So you have to increase your file upload limit and then try again. So we have to just wait for this to get installed. Okay, it's taking a little more time. So that you can see that the difference from this one 66 and 92 to 93 and 100. So that's amazing difference. So I'll just replace current with uploaded. You can see that's the same version. PHP and WordPress is also fine. You will not get this because you will be installing it afresh, so that's one thing. So let's just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's reanalyze these results, and the mobile score has been improved drastically from 66 to 93, so that's great thing. Because desktop was already great over 92. Here it's 93 to 100. Okay, we will just activate the plugin. And we'll just enable few of the options for the plugin that will help us get the best results. Okay, let's go to the settings. We can also go to settings by clicking in the header over here. So first thing is we have go to get caching and enable caching for mobile devices. So this option we have to select. We don't have to select this because it's caused a lot of slow time on mobile devices. We don't want separate cache files. Don't want caching for logged in user, and we don't want this. Okay, let's go to file. We have to enable minify and combine. So it will minify the spaces, remove all the white space and comments, and then combine the files, like make a single file. Now scrolling down, this is a new feature, remove a new CSS. This is in beta phase, so you have to be careful by trying this. Just make sure that your website doesn't look weird. So that next is the JavaScript files. We have to minify JavaScript and delay JavaScript. So these two we have to work on. Now sometime the website may not work properly, some menu will not load, so we have to look like which JavaScript file is causing this, and we have to exclude them. Now the next is the media option. Lazy load, we have to enable lazy load for images and lazy load for iframes and video. Now you can see that the YouTube iframe preview is not compatible with Divi, so it's default grade by default. We can also click on this one. Now from some websites it creates a issue, so we have to keep testing. Like for one of my clients website, this caused a lot of issues, so we have to be sure. Okay, this option is to preload cache. Like we want to make the static HTML files for all of the website, so we have to give the sitemap XU sitemap over here, so that will work. We can also enable link preloading, so that when the user links, when clicks or hovers on a link like this one, the page is downloaded for quick. Next we can skip few of these, and okay, so we can link our Cloudflare. Yeah, you can see that we can link our Cloudflare, and it will also help get us better scores. So let's try the scores that we are getting right now after just enabling and selecting few of options in the plugin. Okay, just we will work on this page speed. Let's close these. There's no other option needed to be selected. You can surf and integrate your CDN. The WP Rocket CDN, this is just okay. I'm using Cloudflare, and performance is likewise similar kind of performance. I'm on free plan of Cloudflare. I didn't notice much of a benefit by going for Rocket CDN. We are paying $8 per month, and the performance boost was not there. All the resources were loading in 30 to 40 milliseconds with Cloudflare itself, so there's no use of going for this. You can see that we have gone up to 86, and it's still I think the page is not completely cached. Okay, so let's reanalyze this. Just wait for this to load. Okay, so now it's been cached. You can see it's getting a score of 92. I think the reduce CSS, remove unused CSS is still working in background, so we see this. It should be done quickly, so we can see little better score. So you can see that it's getting a score of 92 and 100. So just by enabling WP Rocket, we can get better scores. There is a little issue that you might have noticed, that the image over here is not appearing. Now why is it's not appearing? If I open this, okay, it will appear after a little. You see that there is animation and it appears. Now why it's not appearing is we have done a lazy load of the JavaScript, so that's the reason this image will only appear when user interacts with the website. So we have to on lookout for such small issues that can happen due to using of WP Rocket and enabling of this option called delay JavaScript. So improve by delaying the loading until user interaction. So until user scrolls or clicks, the JavaScript will not load. So that's how we are going to get good scores with the website. Okay, so that's how you can improve the website score by using WP Rocket. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.